people don't actually know what the purpose of this click means. So they gotta sync the video and the audio together. So whenever you see this, it's a spike in the audio. So when they actually go to edit it, they can put the video and the audio right where the spike happens. So everything after that is all in sync with each other.
Well, who the fuck told you that?
Man, I do my own shit. Don't worry about me. I know everything. I can direct too.
What is it called? Hurry up.
Slate.
Woo!
What's up, y'all? Welcome to my crib. I am T. T stands for Tracy. Y'all want y'all to see my crib? I want y'all to see how I do things. Come on, come with me. Right now, we got the lowest. Easy, Mikey.
Oh, I got the shit for T. Did you ever plug in that other
Safe right here.
I mean, not the battery.
Oh yeah, I got the charge.
That's how we live. Ghetto fabulous, baby.
I didn't hook up no dump station, but
You already know how we
so
do.
we'd be able to.
Oh, I might get
Got all my clothes on the bed and shit.
What are you doing with this footage?
Picking vlogs out of it. Gotta make BZ famous.
Oh, okay.
Oh, busy already. Sure, you gotta ask about him.
I ain't famous.
Yeah.
Who is famous? Everybody famous.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Ronnie. I'm not sure.
He's famous.
Oh, I'm sure he is.
I know about that.
Ronnie, you famous?
Ryan worked on Creed. He worked on
I
Black.
know he was on Creed
Damn,
too.
for real?
Yeah, he was a punching bag.
Why you hide your credentials?
We need to adjust some lights.
Look at how happy she is seeing herself on that
When you see
camera.
yourself on the camera, you be like,
That's what I was
damn,
thinking
face
about.
all clear.
How many famous people does he look like besides
Fuck
like
you and the
there's
video.
was it Usher, John Legend, what's his name?
T. Jameer, brother.
That's true.
Smart guy.
I get all that
He's a
shit.
smart guy.
LLS.
You do.
So
So
much.
fucking blunt.
People's relatives. I don't know.
Yeah, he looks like
I
everybody.
keep going on and on.
Ain't nobody gonna help Reem, that's crazy.
He's straight.
Gotta go see her.
We help him when he get to the door.
Hey.
Come down to me,
Oh my god.
All right, cut it.
It's official. Wait, so you beat him in basketball, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I know you did.
With sandals on, man.
Yep. Oh! With sandals on.
Damn, bro, you gotta beat you with the sandals on, man.
Y'all was just shooting or like one-on-one, like
It was
hooping?
a one-on-one.
Damn,
Oh, that.
that's all go to. Like, what you beat him? Like 7 zip shut up?
No, he's going up to 5. That's it.
5. Well, how many did you score?
One.
Damn.
Wow, you beat him 5-1. Dom over here, he the king. He brought some of the best tequila I've ever had my whole life.
Come on, man. We had to put young Perry over here hip to that 1942. You know what I'm saying? That classy little shit. Had to have my taste buds real sweet.
Bro, everybody got a little drink.
Everybody got drink. I had it set right today, man. It's Labor
Yeah.
Day. We gotta treat ourselves, you know? Perry, you know, here you go. Take another shot. Take another shot
man,
from the
look at
camera.
that
Go
real
ahead.
quick.
IMDb page, I got over 6-7 credits. It's more than that, but I'm not trying to boast. But this Instafamous movie has been the best set, the camaraderie. We working hard.
We having fun
This
too.
shit
Like
is
it's
so funny. But overall, as far as work, the comedy, the whole atmosphere, this is by far the best set I've been on. Period. Instafamous 2020. Let's go.